Yeah. See the man over there so well open. If me did know, me wouldn't bet all of my money. Why them boy a play ball like them deep on ice? Ding. Where the wall I wanna go up there so far?
A street ball now, player.
One again. Where the wall I wanna go up there so far? See the goal down here so.
Hey, what you say, Spider? Yo, Skidder, me have a job for you. Bro, me not chop for line again, brother. Me done with that. Yo, Skidder, you wanna make money or not? Hey, what you say, Spider? This is 30 million we talking about, big man. Hey, why ya say Spider? You wanna make money or not? Why you say $30,000? When you want me call her? She overseas, and this one is an elderly lady. Easy one too. Why you say $30,000? When you want me call her? Call her around the regular time for drifters. We can clean out that account, yeah, easy.